Can't believe this shit's happening. Oh, that's goddamn water everywhere. Goddamn water heater's leaking. Fucking water everywhere. Fucking water heater's leaking. Leaky! Electric. Well, at least it's probably holding water anyway a little bit. Just ain't I don't know how big the leak is, but shit. There's goddamn pots and shit here. I don't believe it anyway. It's gonna be a pan of fucking balls. Just make sure the goddamn power cord for the fridges are like not touching the fucking ground. What is the specs anyway? It's electric. This is uses 4,500 watts, 240 volts, AC only. And the capacity, 50 gallons. Yeah, 50 gallons. Well, at least at least I know 240 volts. But this water heater has actually been in use for like 15 years. 15-year water heater, 15-year-old water heater. Well, at least it's pretty much. We had to get some more use out of this one than the last one. Last water heater that we had in this shithole of a house actually came with it. A shitty 40-gallon water heater that was upstairs in the laundry room when that gave out. That was a real fucking mess to clean up and shit. Oh, a real fucking mess. Ugh. Low ingenuity in this ends up down here. Ended up using this water. Ended up putting the water here instead. Yeah, after 15 years. The only advantage is this can just it's gonna be a pain in the balls. Also, if you buy an electric water heater, don't buy one that uses 120 fucking volts. Otherwise your goddamn electric bill will be going to the fucking roof. And that's something West Penn fucking Power would endorse, or First Energy. Yeah, the parent company, West Penn. I'm sure even all those goddamn power companies will endorse. Yeah, I figured after 15 years, someone's gonna probably definitely. Seemed like the only thing that was ever done with it was, I had this pipe here. I had this pipe, the overfill. Oh yeah, that's like pressure relief. You see on all water heaters. The only thing that was changed out of this was the goddamn heating elements. Need that one as that should convince somebody to say, hey, buy one's goddamn electric water here's what that can let you change the temperature by push button, whatever. May do that and then just say, maybe another 10, 20, maybe you say, should bring in the winter time. 120 degrees might be a little bit too. I think maybe 110 degrees, 115 degrees might be a little bit too cold for the winter time. If it's extremely cold. But if you jack it up to say an extra 10 degrees, you'd probably be guaranteed warmer water. I don't know. That's just going as tankless water heaters, and that's expensive. tell me to get tank, maybe just say, get a goddamn tankless water heater, or rip the goddamn rip the fucking gas meter out and tell the yeah, rip the fucking gas meter out and pour over the fucking connections with concrete, so they can't put any more in. That'd probably be fucking extreme. That'd probably be really fucking extreme. Yeah, the purpose is that this water here is pretty much like, I'd say this water here is pretty much like served everything. It served the bottom of the barrel well, served it long, and served it fucking well. I guess this one's gonna probably be like, yeah, as I said before in the beginning of this video, this water here was done for, and this is like now a couple weeks after. So I guess it was true. So maybe I did jump the gun, but I might have jumped the gun saying that the water here was done for. But I guess now it really is done for. It says a hole in the tank. So that's pretty much like finished. Look at those goddamn fucking water. Huh. All this fucking, yeah, makes things as a bigger thought all the pressure relief valve might need replaced. But now it turns out goddamn hole in it somewhere. So now this one's really on its way to the scrap heap. Oh well. But it did last 15 years anyway, so this water here served us long and served us well. It's like the end of the line for this son of a bitch.